Good morning and welcome to Amsterdam. So it's currently 10 AM. I arrived in Amsterdam 2 hours ago. I've just got my way to the city, my way to my hotel. I'm now here for the next 48 hours. I literally got here Saturday morning and I leave Monday morning. I'm here for a little photography break. On my own, me and my camera, testing out a new bag. Oh, is it? The Wandered sling bag. There'll be a separate video about that. But we're gonna go do some POV street photography. Let's go. Yeah, so this morning I'm going to be shooting with the Sony A7iii 17-28mm 2.8 lens. It's the only setup I've actually brought with me other than my film camera. Wide as fuck. I've actually already taken a photo this morning, which is in the airport. I was down in the train station of the airport and took this photo, which actually really accurate. Yeah, it came out really cool. I like that a lot. Side shutters on. You get it off. 20mm. I don't want any subject. Obviously recently I've got in the habit of really doing these like talking I'm like talking to the camera and talking through my shots and everything. However, it's really windy today, so it might not be possible throughout the whole video, if at all. I've got my back to the wind, so hopefully it's right now, but wide as I can. That looks cool. I think there's a guy coming here. Here comes a tram. Like that. Like that too. One a bit fall around that. I just seen 50mm. Frame images off my head in 50mm. Woo! Foot is on the edge of the canal, but I want to get this symmetrical. Wasn't that good of a shot, just wanted it symmetrical. See, that would be cool if there wasn't a big fucking blue scaffolding right in front of it. Oh, I love this city, it's just so... I say it's so chilled out, and it's well loud because that fucking bin, but I just... It has a vibe, like, the vibe here is chilled, the energy is just chilled. It's great. I'm low-key craving a 50mm. I don't think if that looks good wide. Get over the fact you haven't got 50mm, Luke. Jesus Christ. I've got 50mm on the film camera, which is half the reason why I didn't bring it on here. I don't want to shoot film yet. I want to shoot film when I've warmed up a little bit. You know what we say? First 10 shots. They're always shit. Not always, but you got to warm up. It's a cool vibe. Although I don't like that person opening his boot right there. That's better. Oh, I like that. Family's up the way. Grab life by the beans. So much I could do with another coffee. So my flight this morning was at 6 AM, which meant I was up at 4 AM to get to the airport. Obviously I live right next to Gatwick, so it was easy, but up at 4 AM to get to the airport. Had an overpriced Witherspoon's breakfast. Slept literally the whole entire flight. I fell asleep during takeoff and then woke up when we hit the ground. I haven't actually told anyone this online yet, and hopefully by the time this video goes live, it'll have arrived, because it's on back order right now. I've bought a new camera. Any guesses what it is? Drop a comment down below. Try and guess what the new camera is. But yeah, hopefully it'll be live. Well, hopefully I'll have it by the time this video arrives. But there's your hint that it's on back order. That was untasteful, but it's funny. No, I'm reading a book at the moment about being more present in your life and being like in the moment all the time. I'm actually realising this morning that street photography is one of the few times that I don't have to focus on being in the moment. When I'm doing street photography, because I'm so like, I'm looking around for photo opportunities, I'm so in the moment and present. I actually love it. I think that's why I feel so calm and why I love doing street photography so much. Because of I'm purely here. I'm not very good. Good shot. That guy across the river. Or like directly next to him would be good. The buildings down there are getting a bit plain. It's worth speeding up and going for that shot. Beetle. Fuck, sorry. Is it the Beetle? Is that a Fiat 500? Where? It's a fucking Fiat. Oh god. I called it a Mini and a Beetle. I'm so sorry to any car nerds out there. But I just highly offended. The contrast between these two cars is actually hilarious. Let's go with 20 meter. That's hilarious. I love that. Why is that on the fucking, that's why. Come on. I need. Nice. Nice. Alright, sun's coming this way, so we're going to keep walking. I don't want to shoot towards the sun, do I? I want to go that way. Let's keep going this way. Should we go across there? No, let's go this way. And this way. Listen. Really shit photo. There's a street performer down there and I'd love to get a photo of them, but I don't like taking photos of street performers without tipping them, and I have no cash, so we won't be getting that shot. Love the city. No, that's right. That's good.
Porque
It's too fast for a slow shutter. No.